overdose.
Yeah, no. No, I guess.
Queenie. He's home. Lifestyle Show 2004 action so far.
It is my final day here, so...
You started out as an ad agency guy, right? Then you became a very hot model. Now you're a much sought after Bollywood star. Right from Jism, Baap, Saya, Lucky.
That's why a face like mine has been. That's my next release that's happening on the 27th of August. Probably the best way I'm going to do it is probably try and come a little closer.
They bring at the Asian Lifestyle Show 2004.
Oh, come on. No? You mad?
Yeah, you could have been to the front, but
You were there.
I could have been there if I came earlier.
Your fault. There's people at the back getting as well.
Change it up a little, and I was to do it, it would sound a little something like this.
Would you make a price? Remember I have to cover you. No, you're not even in it.
It's been long. It's been around 2 years, 3 months. Okay, that's my honest name.
No, can you still hear me?
Can I still?
I've asked for you in a minute.
You know, you're echoing. We take it away from your.
So are you saying carrom board?
I remember how to play it.
Maybe should look like.
Hey, is that meant to be like that? You sure? Who said that?
Why is everyone here when you bounce back?
Not on my pretty face.
On your
Something's stopping on my hair.
My John Abraham pretty face.
Is that?
That's it.
That was not good then. You can hear them go, oh shit.
Yes! No,
Wicked clip.
sick.
Hello, hello.
I was getting ready, I'm like, yes. I'm not joking.
Stop it! So we kick it. Oh my god. Ah, kick it!
It's okay, it's okay.
Funny man.
I saved the camp. Superhero.
I forgot the firework.
Again.
Oh my god, and it's open.
What angle? Oh, it's sick. The one. Are you sure that's?
Checking up. He's thinking I'm going there.
Go climb. Let him go, Shakil. Let him go.
Long live the king.
So that's how they do it in films.
No one let me say it. Sean, can I say it on camera?
Say what?
Remember. Got everyone watching.
I think that was the only thing.
Oh, the big one.
I think this is the first time
That's
we've
stress.
so many people. I think we should stop.
Tell me how much you love me.
Thank you very much.
I love it, man.
And you're
Alfie, tell you how much I hate you. Let's tell everyone.
How much who you?
How much I hate you.
How much you hate me?
Yeah.
What are you doing, Baya? Are you coming out?
Good luck, old hand. You should come in.
We've got sparklers. We've got sparklers.
Everyone's coming out to see you got the 2 in one go. Yeah? just a little shot, man.
Maybe they're not complaining.
Let's just see how it comes out 2 in one
They're
go.
not complaining.
No, we're gonna get
Do
hurt,
one this
Jackie.
side. Do one
Can't
going
do
that way.
that.
No, you
Man.
got that.
What?
Oh, that's it. Thank God.
No rocket now, yeah? Nah, man, no rocket. Rockets are over.
Yeah.
I can't hold the pole so long, so I'll make it quick. Done the video by accident.
No.
Now, Ruby, do the first ever draw to see who plays all time. Sham, pause. What competition is this? This is for the FIFA 2006 Champions League. The draw for the FIFA 2006. Here it goes. I think I should stick with it. Give it a good shake. Now take the first team. Okay, here we go. Fingers crossed. The first team is... Who is that? Damn it! Manchester United, Shahiruddin. Sham, write it down. Manchester United, managed by Shahiruddin. One-time FIFA, already a one-time FIFA 2005 champion. So they're the holders. Okay. And they will play... They're playing all-time to Barcelona, but now let's do the next team. Okay, the next team is AC Milan. Five-time FIFA championship. They're going to play Shahi with Man United. And they will play away to Man United the first game. Next team is Real Madrid. Real Madrid. All-time FIFA 2005 champions. And managed by Shahiruddin. Okay, let's go. Now, the final team is... And they will play... They will play. So the next team has to be Sayu at home. So you can take that out of the thing. Wait. I'll just show it to you. It's Arsenal. The team are losing to Qatar at the moment. Arsenal. Managed by Saeed Azhar. It is maybe a fluke or something, but they were 2-time FIFA champions last season, so maybe a fluke. Let's go. Now pick up who's going to play for you. Okay, now to play this man, Arsenal is... The team is AC Milan. AC Milan. Shamsuddin to face Saeed. Okay. Next match. Is Real Madrid. Manchester United. It's Arsenal. It's Arsenal. Next match. Real Madrid. It's Arsenal. Is all over?
Hi, my name is Alfie and I eat 9 halals a day. Hi, this guy's Shams. He just speaks like this.
Okay, I'm sorry. I love you.
Hello! You bastard.
I've got plans to take all the way down.
It's showed
I
on.
wish I could become bigger than you.
He didn't charge this. I have to take it back in 2 minutes. I had to keep charging it, Shaq.
Okay.
What did you guys make?
See all these big pieces, it was together.
Oh my
It's one
god.
big massive piece we made.
Oh my god. Just to put this on for 2 minutes and help them lift it.
Huh?
help them lift it with this. I know they're girls.
Let's see.
Oh, that, no, that's no chance. Trust me, they're both the
Which
same.
one's big? No, that one's bigger.
I want more.
We have to make Shadow proud.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can make Shadow proud.
Again.
Do it again.
Shall I help him? Oh, they did it.
Whoa.
Your face when it's slow.
Don't eat away.
But it might break that one. With the weight. No? Oh no. Don't come and break.
You did it.
Check.
Shadow will be proud.
Why is it all about Shadow? Make Shadow
Shadow
proud.
said we'll get a cookie.
Oh.
Put it around the bottom as well, yeah?
You can let go, mate.
Shai, where'd you get those cleaner gloves from? Sham, find those, they're good.
You missed off there, man. It was just bigger than this, and we're rolling
You're
it
gonna
down.
get cold. How could you come out of that? Hi.
Oh my god, you did it by yourself.
House phone. Who calls?
We don't have a head for it.
Not yet. Next.
And we're still building.
Can I steal next door, mate?
See this? This top bit. We're making another one of this and put it on top.
Sham, look. Sham. Sham, let me say it quick. Is it this house?
That one.
Yeah. You can always knock and tell her. It's okay. Shadow goes, why is in the front garden? I'm showing him a picture.
Where else is it? In the house?
I don't know.
Where did you want it?
I don't know. Where else is it meant to be? He knows someone's going to break it, that's why. Before he gets here.
We'll break it ourselves.
Yeah. Better than someone else doing it.
And then I forgot, I was like, when I walked in the house, she answered the door.
Masterpiece, no?
Yeah, it's like the little ones of, it's like the children.
I just want to be like you.
Can we get radio? Can you put on your radio so we can hear it? It goes 10, 9, 8.
What radio?
Oh, quickly, yeah, Sham, copy them all quickly. So when it comes down to the actual countdown, you could count it down. and record
Oh
it.
yeah, I only got one more minute left.
Now speak.
He's not.
Ready, it's time.
Time.
What's it? Tell us once it's 20 seconds.
Come on, Lydia.
When it's 20 seconds. Tell me, yeah?
3, 2,
I better hit me, yeah?
my umbrella. Happy New Year.
I missed it, by the way.
Oh, we did
You do it.
I missed it.
You missed it. You did a
I
countdown.
got the phone
I got
away.
it.
What?
Should we start what? Hello?
Happy New Year.
Hello?
He's gonna blow you up.
Who could it be? It's a what? What is it?
Whoa, I need a bath tomorrow.
Your truck has been following you for 2 days.
Got it, sister.
I think I took a wrong turn.
Well, this is a perfect place for us. Yeah, you saw the guy. His face was totally... Looked like someone quilted his face together.
You're so horrible.
Not him.
You're just
Not him.
Why is there no cream on his face?
This family is messed up. Brother and sister, I want you. You are now officially.
I'm good. Why don't you say?
I'm taking it to the
You're just gonna drop it, don't let him.
why be sad to me? How am I gonna drop it?
Rafat said he loves Shai.
What a nice niche.
There's no plate underneath.
No, but you go first.
Yeah, he doesn't want to be on camera.
Go. Drop it.
Shams, I meant to go in front of you while you take it in. But you're gonna drop it. So.
No, we don't.
How could you? Oh yeah.
Big problem, man. I can't see job. Oh yeah, got racism captured on camera. Oh yeah.
Birthday to
you. Go, go, go. Magic candles. What the hell? Magic candles.
That's amazing.
Oh my god.
It's my first.
Oh my god.
It's my I win now. I win.
That's nice.
I win.
Oh my god.
Should we just move them?
Yeah. Oh my god. Just don't die. Sham, what did you do? The one that you used in the kitchen? This candle.
Let's keep it.
So just lit up in school and the teachers pick up.
Oh, that's what it
He's
is.
gonna keep you in that.
I'm magic, yeah! Magic!
Yeah.
Oh yeah, magic! My dad got magic. My dad got magic. Right, Shai, look, you can see yourself.
Stop looking at me. I know. What are you, paparazzi? Get out of there, Shaquille. Beat it.
Pause it.
What?
Pause it.
I have to put in Romeo. No, he is.
Yeah.
Romeo is so little. The bow on it.
Shai.